Welcome to the Problem Corner for Pathfinder 2nd Edition. My name is Model 42, and today I want to explain as simple as I can what the different stages of observation are. There are a total of 6 stages and we are going to look at them right now. These count for all creatures in the game, including you. The first one is called Observed, and is as simple as you can think. This means that the enemy knows exactly where you are, because he can see you clearly, allowing him to target you normally. Some effects, for example natural or magical fog, can make you become the second category, which is concealed. In this stage, the enemy still knows exactly where you are, but it is quite tricky to hit you, and the enemy has to make a flat DC 5 check to target you with a non-area effect or attack, which is a 75% chance for success. Stage 3, called Hidden, is when a creature knows what space you are in, but it can't see you. For example, you are hidden behind a wall and successfully used the hide action, but if someone uses a seek action to find you, you will not be hidden from them anymore, and depending on your position to him, you'll become observed or concealed. As long as you're hidden, the enemy has to make a flat DC 11 check to target you with non-area effects and attacks, which is a 50-50 shot. In addition, the enemy is flat-footed against you if you are hidden. The next one is called Undetected, which means that the enemy might have an idea where you are, and it works almost exactly like Hidden, with the following differences. It has no idea which exact space you are in, so instead of a 50-50 shot to target you, targeting you is impossible at all, and it can only try to guess the space and attack that space instead. This check is rolled in secret by the DM. Unnoticed is the best natural state of observation there is, since the enemy is completely unaware of your presence, which also makes it flat-footed against your attacks and is a rogue stream state for an enemy to be in. This usually happens when one side is completely unaware of danger, an attack on their location, or if they are really busy with something else. The last state of observation is called Invisible, which works exactly like Undetected, but counts for everybody else on the battlefield. Even if you are standing right in the open, you cannot become observed ever unless via special abilities and magic. Even if someone knows you are there, after becoming invisible, they treat you as undetected. If you begin the confrontation in this state, you are treated as unnoticed most likely. If you are good at using the environment to your advantage, plan out ambushes and more on the spot, you can really use these states to give you and even your party a great advantage, since many states of observation make the other side flat-footed, and giving yourself a +2 chance to hit, including a +2 chance to critically hit in most cases, increases your damage potential immensely, especially if you are a rogue. You can even hide in the middle of combat, if you are smart, and even if the enemy uses a seek action to immediately find you, they wasted an action for that, evening the odds. And if they don't, switch to another target in your group, then you can swoop in the next turn and deal extra damage with a bit of luck. Be advised, however, that there are enemies who are really difficult to trick because of their unnatural senses. When it comes to detecting creatures, in most cases this is a simple perception check against the target's sneak DC, if it is hiding, though since this is a secret check, the DM will make the check for you. If the target is standing right in the open, it usually becomes immediately observed. If it makes itself known, for example by yelling out from behind cover, it will be hidden or undetected, depending on state and position. Do not make it too complicated, but sometimes it will be really important. I hope this helped out a bit. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider leaving a like. It really helps out the channel, as well as subscribing for more content and guides, and telling me in the comments what your coolest sneak attack in a role-playing game was.